So today we're making bread. Even you can make it step by step. First, scale all your ingredients. If I'm going too fast, check the description below for the exact amount. Okay, so now that we have our milk and it's warm, we're going to whisk in our yeast, our sugar, our flour, and our egg yolk. Now that everything is combined and mixed, we're going to cover and rest for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes is up, we're going to switch to a dough hook. We see the dough come together pretty fast. At this point, we gradually add the butter. So as promised, we want to make this as easy as possible. So don't forget to stop and scrape your bowl down because this will help your dough to come together much faster. This is when we add the salt. So as you can see, I slowed the video down so you can see the dough pulling away from the bowl. So now you know it's ready. So by taking a small piece of the dough, you're going to stretch it to see if you have good gluten structure. So at this point, you can be as creative as you want and add whatever you want to the cheese. Here comes the fun part, the portioning. I portion mine out to 2 ounces. You can go ahead and portion it as big as you want, no larger than 3 ounces. Oh, by the way, don't forget to flour your surface so your dough won't stick. We're going to flatten out each piece of dough just enough to fit 1 tablespoon of filling. As I said before, you can be as creative as you want. Here I have caramelized onions, scallions, and mozzarella cheese. Now that our dough is all sealed up, we're gonna turn the seam side down. Remember, I did 2-ounce portions of dough, so that gave me 15 pieces. Depending on what you do, may give you more or give you less. So the moment we've been waiting for, oh yeah. We're gonna bake it in the oven for 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And after we take it out of the oven, we're gonna brush it with some garlic butter. It looks good and it tastes good. Don't forget, make sure you try it out. Like and subscribe.